Welcome you all to this very first meeting of the Welsh Youth Parliament.
From financial education informing students on the value of money and on financial concepts such as inflation, mortgages and taxes, to diversity and inclusion lessons.
A designated lesson at least once a fortnight, as well as life skills lessons within other subjects. Adopting these approaches would help ensure that the demand for frequent life skills education is met.
It is absolutely clear to me from your report, and we've heard it again this afternoon, very clear to me and to a government that we need to be doing more to support our teachers.
1 in every 10 young persons suffers with mental health issues on a daily basis, and this issue is on the rise.
You are not alone. I'm Casey. I have mental health issues and my mind is never quiet.
I urge you all to think of a time when you were in a bad place and never thought you'd feel better again.
Firstly, significant improvements are needed to raise awareness.
Schools should increase the amount of time that counsellors are available to support young people.
Certainly the secret in my early learning here is that early intervention is absolutely key.
I'm hoping to address something that hopefully should be quite clear an issue to you all, the issue of climate change.
This is an emergency, which is still just about solvable. Let's help do something about it.
From our consultation work, we have seen that practical action is needed to tackle litter and plastic waste in the short term, and to move forward urgently with strategies to get to the root of the problem in the longer term.
This work has been really, really helpful in terms of giving government an insight into what young people in particular are thinking with regards to reducing litter and tackling plastic waste.
It was a great privilege for me to have worked with other Senedd members, with external organisations and with young people right throughout Wales to see elected 2 years ago now the very first Welsh Youth Parliament.
I've always believed that children and young people need a voice in decisions that affect them.
While their voices may not be the loudest in the room, they often provide a new perspective, clarity that cuts to the very heart of an issue.
I think if I was to pick out 2 things that stand out for me, the first would be your committee reports, which have been outstanding and have had a huge impact.
I know that your individual journeys are only just beginning, and I'm certain that you will make a positive difference whichever path you follow next.
Your passion, energy and commitment gives me every confidence that Wales's future is in safe hands.
So thank you for everything you have achieved. Good luck with everything that you do into the future.